For 2 decades, B2B marketing relied on a simple transaction. You type a query, you get 10 blue links, and you click the best one. That exchange has stopped working. Buyers looking for enterprise software or strategic services no longer scroll through pages of results to find your website. They ask a question, and an artificial intelligence reads the internet for them, summarizing the answer right at the top of the page. This is the reality of zero-click search. Zero-click search refers to a search engine result that provides the answer directly on the page, removing the need for a user to click through to any external website. The search engine synthesizes multiple sources to deliver a final conclusion that pushes your links right off the screen. Ranking in the top 3 positions used to guarantee traffic. Now those positions are buried under an AI overview. If a buyer gets what they need without scrolling past that summary box, your organic traffic drops to 0, regardless of your rank. Brand visibility relies entirely on a new objective. You have to become the foundational source material the AI chooses to cite when it generates those answers. To adapt, we need to look at what an AI-generated search engine results page, or SERP, actually is. A SERP is the digital display of results provided by a search engine in response to a specific keyword query. The AI answer box is a composite. It extracts specific data points from hidden source pages to build its response, actively filtering out generic noise to find precise, high-quality answers. The algorithm is no longer looking for exact keyword matches. It analyzes the context of a buyer's question and interprets what they are actually trying to solve. Writing for a basic keyword index is an obsolete tactic. To earn a citation, you have to structure your information so an interpretive machine can instantly recognize your expertise. The foundation of modern search relies on entities. An entity is a distinct, well-defined concept or object that a machine can identify regardless of the specific words used to describe it. AI maps the relationships between these entities, like connecting a CRM system to a sales pipeline. You build topical authority by exhaustively mapping an entire web of these related entities. A shallow page cannot compete with a deep, interconnected structure. The AI scan your site looking for clear, logical formatting to quickly extract and verify how these concepts relate to your core business. Technical elements under the hood, like structured data markup and schema, act as a direct, machine-readable feed. They tell the AI exactly what your page is about, without forcing it to guess. Brands that explicitly map their expertise using these interconnected relationships become the definitive source of truth for the algorithm. Getting the AI to select your page over a competitor requires a specific execution strategy. It comes down to how your web page is structurally formatted. You must provide a direct, concise answer to the user's question within the very first paragraph of your page. The machine prioritizes immediate clarity. Your content needs to be conversational but highly structured. Using robust FAQs and step-by-step lists allows the AI to easily parse your insights. Search engines also apply a strict safeguard known as EEAT. EEAT is a set of guidelines used by search engines to evaluate the experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness of a piece of content. This framework prevents the AI from hallucinating false information by ensuring it only pulls from credible, verified sources. Treat AI-first content as an engineered asset designed specifically to be read, verified, and cited by machines before humans ever see it. B2B marketing now requires a shift in how we approach the market. We have to move past the obsession with capturing search ranking and focus on establishing absolute relevance. You can no longer rely on pulling users down a traditional website funnel to educate them on your software or services. They are making decisions based on the summaries they read off-site. The objective is reversed. You need your structured data to flow directly into the AI, proactively training its models to feature your brand in its answers. Brands that ignore this architectural shift risk complete invisibility. Standard, unstructured content will simply not be seen by the systems answering your buyer's questions. To survive the zero-click era, you have to stop running old campaigns. You have to engineer your content to be the definitive answer.